Hey, good morning, everybody. Meets the Money Honey here. It is Tuesday, January 21st. Getting a little bit of a late start. Sorry about that. Power went out, so computer had to reboot. We are looking at Bitcoin. We saw a surge over the weekend and looks like we're moving back up currently at 104,306. The overall market looks up. So good news here. All the major players moving up. Ethereum, let's see, Litecoin on the way back up. And we are looking at Solana kind of pulling back out of the trenches there. If you got in on the Trump or Melania coin, unfortunately, I'm sorry to say that you are down. However, we have had a new bullish signal on the 15-minute chart, and we're showing a take profit of second take profit of 56. So that's good news. Hopefully you didn't get stuck back in it, but if we, zoom out to the broader view, we had a significant upside and then a significant downside. So if you're still in it, hopefully we can come back over this level of 59. So let's just say 60. And then I think we'll be heading back to the all-time high. So anyway, I do know just from my research that a lot of the coins, the majority of the holdings are with the Trump organization, but a lot of the coins, most of them are locked up for a 3-year period. So you can't have you can't have a go to zero scenario with that. So, don't give up hope if you're in it. It just may take some time to recover, depending on, if you bought up here at the top, you're not holding the bag forever, I guess. So, anyway, let's take a look at the futures market. We are up on the Dow, down on the VIX, good news. Up on the NASDAQ by 91 points and the S&P up 21 points. So it looks like the markets are favoring the new administration, so that's good for the markets. I don't know why my chart's not loading here, but we're looking at the 15-minute view on the NASDAQ. And let's see, a second take profit level of 21.8. So looks like we are going to be heading up today, which is fantastic. I do want to look at a few of the major players because from what I understood, I saw it on social media yesterday. If you follow any of the politicians who trade, I believe Nancy Pelosi bought some calls on some of the major players. So Apple was one of them. Let's see. But, unfortunately, Apple has been downgraded by a few different, major analysts. So that's not great news for Apple, but I don't think that this is going to go on forever. Apple still has significant cash. I know they're having some issues with China. But, we've popped out of this channel. We probably will test the top of this channel and then keep moving. But I wouldn't take a long until we got over this 200-day moving average. So just keep your eyes peeled on that one. I think Amazon was one of the stocks that some major call options were bought on. And it's showing a second take profit of 235 currently, up pre-market at 228. Want to take a look at Google because I think that was one of them. Again, don't quote me on it because I don't have social media in front of me, but you can do your own search. I believe there is actually a channel that's called like Nancy Pelosi Trading or something. But I mean, really, any lawmaker, I like to think that they may know something or they've got some fantastic financial advisors. So, Google, big bullish signal here. We are currently up pre-market $1.80, showing on the 4-hour chart a take profit of 208. So that's looking awesome. So I would think that our take profit would be at this third resistance level or our final stopping point before we have a pullback. And that would be at 209. Okay, la, da, 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 da. Of course, I want to look at Microsoft and MicroStrategy and NVIDIA. We have another bullish signal here on Microsoft, so that's good news. We're going to be pulling out of this downward channel that we have been in. Second take profit of 445. So if you're in that, I would hold out until we hit that level. So that's looking promising. And MicroStrategy, slightly down, but since Bitcoin is moving, I 100% anticipate that MicroStrategy is going to go off. I know the incoming administration, very favorable on the cryptocurrency market. We're showing a take profit of 451, but I did a little bit of analysis last week, and I'm holding this baby until we hit somewhere around, I would say at least this fifth resistance level before I'm taking a significant chunk out of my holdings. But yes, I am in MicroStrategy, heavily invested in MicroStrategy. That, of course, is our Bitcoin stock proxy, just because Michael Saylor has just been on a Bitcoin buying spree. So, MicroStrategy, and let's take a look at NVIDIA, our chip darling, of course. We have not gotten a bullish signal yet. Still showing a take profit down here. We did hit this pretty close to this 128 level. We're currently up almost a buck pre-market, so that's looking great. Um, I don't know. I think I would maybe wait until we clear this 200-day moving average, this yellow line here, because I swing trade these major stocks. I don't day trade these things. Um, but yeah, before I would take a long here, I'm going to be waiting till we get over this 200-day moving average. And of course, my indicator gives me, these signals. So I'd be looking for a strong bullish signal as well before I decided to take a long on it. But I think that was one of the ones that Pelosi did a call option on. Um, all right, I'm going to go ahead and end it at that. I don't like to look at the day trading stuff, the first day back from trading. So usually that's Monday. Tuesday, we were closed yesterday in the markets, the stock market. So I'll be covering some day trading opportunities tomorrow. All right, thanks so much for tuning in, and happy trading. Good luck out there. Take care.